Good morning friends. Whatever you want also wants you. In our last video, we saw this principle. For this, please watch our last video. In this video, we'll see how you can use this principle in your real life. First of all, whatever you want to do or be, decide that. By doing so, you are creating your first half. Now you have to find your second half. This is the reason that some people in the world achieve whatever they want to and others only watch them. What's the difference between those achievers and those watchers? Let's see. Our thoughts are like a seed, and this seed is created in our minds. Our subconscious mind is connected with universal consciousness. Thoughts come into it from that consciousness, ether or universal consciousness, and go back to it from our mind. When we sleep, our conscious mind also sleeps, but our subconscious mind is waking and is running the vital activities of our body like digestion, heartbeat, breathing, and many other millions of activities. At that time, if it has a thought in it, then it can start working on it. As soon as we wake up, our conscious mind again takes over. But just after we get up in the morning and just before we go to sleep at night, we are in a half awakened state, and at these times our conscious mind is operating under low frequencies, and it's the best time to feed the thoughts into the subconscious mind. For this, we may utter or read the thoughts to be fed to the subconscious mind. Having done so, our subconscious mind starts to find the matching thoughts in the whole universe. To know more about this process, please read our book, The Subconscious Mind, a Servile Master. After feeding thoughts to the mind, they have to be saturated with emotions, because both a person who wants to succeed and a person who doesn't want to do anything get thoughts, but only those thoughts produce results which have been saturated by emotions and converted into a burning desire. For how to saturate thoughts, please watch our video, How to Succeed at Anything. People who don't want to succeed have their thoughts like weak wishes, and others have strong desires which have strength, and people want to work for those strong desires. A weak wish is like someone who says, "Wish I were Amitabh Bachchan." But this type of sentences, just after the utterance, indicate that the speaker is only wishing and doesn't himself want to become Amitabh Bachchan. That wish is already dead, and that person is himself not ready to realize his wish. Similar to that seed which had the power to create a tree, but it was not sown at all, and it is being carried by people in their pockets. On the other hand, when someone says that I'll do this work, or like I will become a cricketer, then it seems that he means it. His conscious mind has not only produced this thought, but has also handed it over to the subconscious mind for execution. And people like this only start working on their desires, and some of them succeed similar to that seed which was sown, taken care of, and which grew into a tree and bore fruits. The desire of those who succeed is the seed of success which grows into a tree. After seed comes the action part. As you sow, so shall you reap. When you start work on any of your thoughts, it's known as your karma in that direction. And once you take action in the right direction, the result has to come accordingly. Means your karma is the result itself. You have to do your karma with all your might. Means even after having the right seed, you have to do the right karma in that direction. And what is this right karma? To sow the right seed, to protect it from goats or negativity, to make available water, fertilizer and light to it, and take care of it until it becomes a tree and bears fruit. The same thing is to be done to realize your dream thought. Whatever you want to become or do, make it your goal, focus on it, work passionately on it, shield yourself from negativity of people and persist till you succeed. Taking massive action is known as practice. The more you practice, the more massive the action. That's why practice makes perfect. For regular practice, you need self-motivation, which in turn comes from habits. When there is a habit, the action is automatically taken and result also comes accordingly. For how you get self-motivated by habits, please watch our video, How to be Always Self-Motivated. To summarize today's video, first of all, whatever you want to be or do, decide it. You have created this your first half, now you have to find your second half. Now saturate your subconscious mind with this thought, then take right action and you will get the second half or the right result. Because whatever you want also wants you, or whatever you are searching for is also searching for you.